study and free time survey. We asked 62 students 2 questions. How many hours do you spend studying and how many hours do you spend with gadgets? The results of the survey surprised us. We think that more than half of students will dedicate more time to study than staying with gadgets. But considering that with the COVID it's necessary to work online, we believe that the results are not bad.
The total hours of studying and homework were 128 hours, and on gadgets 2009 hours. We do the mean and here are the results. Studying and homework 2.6 hours a day, and gadgets 3.37 hours a day.
In the first graphic, as you can see, more than half of the students dedicate more than 4 hours for gadgets, and we think this is so much. Only 2 people dedicate less than 1 hour for gadgets a day. In the second graphic, as you can see, most of the students dedicate between 2 hours and 2 hours 30 to studying and doing homework. This is so bad because most of people dedicate more time for gadgets than studying.
We asked another 50 people about the subjects that need more time and the subjects that are more difficult. The subjects that need more time were history 40%, maths 20% and language 20%. And the subjects that are more difficult were maths 30%, history 25% and language 15%.
Studying apps. First, Word. It is for long projects with many text. You can also insert photos, shapes or graphs. Second, Outlook. It is like Gmail, but a good difference is that it has a calendar. Third, Teams. It is very functional. You can be joined in groups or chats with teachers and classmates and also send homework. Fourth, OneNote. It can be used for complete homework and it is like a digital notebook. Fifth, PowerPoint. It is used for presentations, very colorful and animated. You can insert text with different fonts, photos, audios or shapes.
The most used social networks in Spain are WhatsApp to talk with people and you can send messages, audios, photos, videos and make video calls. Instagram to post and view photos of other people. You can also upload stories that last 24 hours. Facebook to view what other people are doing or post photos to other people see it. Twitter to give your opinion and see that of other people on different topics. And TikTok to post or watch musical or comedy videos.
Among Us, the most popular game. It was developed in 2018 but was in 2020 when it became famous. It consists of being a crewmate or an impostor, and the game is played in a map. If you are a crewmate, you need to complete missions and discover who is the impostor. If you are an impostor, you need to kill crewmates and sabotage the reactor, the oxygen or the communication. The game finishes when all the crewmates complete the missions or when the impostor is discovered, and also if crewmates are killed.
Video games. More than 17 million Spanish teenagers play video games, 43% girls and 57% boys. The usual gadgets that the teenagers use to play video games are the Play 4 and the Nintendo Switch. The minimum age in Spanish for professional players is 16 years old with parental authorization and without it at 18 years old.
Play 4 games. Fortnite. It is a game developed by Epic Games. It consists of trying to be the last of 100 players, killing the rest. You can play with your friends and also there are tournaments with awards of money. You can build, fish or drive cars.
Fall Guys is a real game developed by Mediatonic and published by Devolver Digital. It released for Microsoft Windows and PlayStation 4 on August 2020. It consists of being the last of 60 players, passing 5 random rounds in different levels.